With fans cheering on, 102 athletes warmed up for Thursday's afternoon men's sprint. Despite the strong sideline support for the Germans, they only secured a fourth place thanks to Philipp Horn. The podium was dominated by the Russians, led by Matvey Liseev.
Track very hard, it have very big hill. For me, for my gabarits, it's very bad. But serious men have very good ski. It's very good for me. I have shooting without miss. It's possible because I don't like penalty loops.
He cleaned both stages with ease and claimed the victory with a comfortable 28.5-second lead. Collecting one penalty prone, but shooting clean standing, Yuri Shopin finished second. Pyotr Pachenka, matching Chopin on the range, completed the Russian podium 34 seconds behind Eliseev.
If you have miss, it's not big problem for this track. If you have very good condition of your body, you can do all. But I don't have so strong body now, and I need shooting without miss.
Arber,